Okay, today I'm just going to create a simple mission in Dronelink. The purpose is previously Dronelink has motion delay option to allow or not to allow, but I noticed recently that motion delay uh, option is no longer there. Maybe it has already been incorporated. I'll just show you in this current mapping mission that I want to do. So I'm going to go create. Okay, map. Okay, I'm going to start over here. Okay, I'm going to put some distance into this map. Not so much of the area. Okay, now over here, map, camera overlay, I have the Mavic Air 2S. Overlapping will be like this. I'm going to go terrain follow. Here, ground level AGL. Okay, based on Google Earth, I understand. Takeoff restriction, I'm going to put a specific area. Action, return to home. My speed limit, once again, I'm going to put it at 32 kilometers an hour and done. Okay. The takeoff location, I'm going to use this basketball court. I'm going to widen it up a bit to 16 meters. If I'm at a place where in the jungle and I'm not sure, then my takeoff restriction will be quite huge. Now, the approach will be at 87 meters. Okay, my altitude, I'm going to go at 90 meters. Okay. Speed at 32.2 gimbal. Now, over here, previously, you have motion delay. Now, you do not have it. You have high wind tolerance. Okay. Then, like normal, I'm going to put my new component, my drone component, my standard drone component. Okay. There are 4 components over here, which I'm going to leave it as it is. Sorry, accidentally put up the plan. Okay. Now, when the mission is over, I preferably I want to move this. Okay. Basically, I will want the mission to end very close to where I'm taking off. Okay. right? And I'm going to fly this mission, preferably when the wind is slightly strong, to see what I will get. I'm going to widen this mission, make it long. Okay. All right. Basically to cover okay. That's it. I will try to take off and complete this mission when the wind condition is slightly uh, strong. Okay, thank you.
Okay, right now I just prepared a small mission at my field. It's just because that previously Dronelink has this motion delay, but I think they have replaced it with high wind resistance. So I want to see whether I will still get drone too far off course with this plan or with this new feature, which I doubt that will happen. So I'm just going to try. As you can see, it's actually a very small mission. It's just that the mission is long in length.
3, 2, 1. Starting mission.
Okay, the mission is only going to take about 9 minutes. I've set the height at 90 meters. Now it's moving to the first approach. Okay, the other thing that I notice is now there is no, basically there's no indication of how many seconds they are taking per photo, not like before. Okay, the drone is heading back. The capturing mission has been completed. Now, as you can see, although I've put the capturing speed at 32 kilometers per hour, it is still capturing at about 28 or kilometers per hour, thereabout. It's just above my head now.
Mission accomplished.